Hi, it's Adam here from Recite. In this really quick video, I'll show you how to use the handy alphabetisation feature in Recite, which is available for both paying and non-paying users. When you open the reference list section and an alphabetical issue has been detected, you will see these little up and down arrows situated here next to the number of citations found for each reference. You will also see a summary label of how many alphabetical order issues Recite has found in the top bar. As a handy tip, when you click on the alphabetical order issues label, the references will reorder themselves into the suggested order. Okay, let's take a look at the sample document and run through correcting the issues that Recite detects. Firstly, in the case where you have one down arrow and one up arrow, like this just means you need to swap them around. You would therefore go into your own document to fix the order by switching the two, and then re-upload to check there are no further issues found. Next, we have a block of alphabetisation issues to address, which might look like we need to move lots of references around, but in reality, all we need to do is move this reference down 2, and that will clear all the issues in this block. By moving this one down 2, the others will have all moved up 1, fixing the other issues at the same time. Again, we'd amend our document and re-upload. Finally, having fixed the other issues, we can see that the number has gone down to 72. When we scroll through the reference list, we can see a bunch of arrows here, one down, one down, one down, etc. So we can see there's more than likely a reference that's many places out of order. Here, Recite has detected that we are using a non-significant word to order this reference, whereas for our selected reference style, APA 7, we should ignore words like a, an and the, and instead order by E for EFSA in this instance. Let's fix that one now and see our updated results. Occasionally, an alphabetisation issue is actually just highlighting another issue that we need to look at. This can happen from time to time when the reference has something odd at the end, which makes Recite believe it's ended and therefore split a reference in two or join two together. Let's look at a new example here. In this example, we have an up 19, which is actually not an alphabetisation issue at all. It's actually that the retrieval date has been split onto another line. Again, we'd amend our document and re-upload to check for further issues. Once all of your alphabetisation issues are fixed, you can move on to another area of your citations and reference checking. And if you add any further references as you move through your writing process, you can be confident Recite will highlight any new issues as you go. And that's it. Hopefully you now have a clear understanding of how alphabetisation works in Recite. Want to head over to the website and try it out for yourself. Be sure to check out the rest of our videos to better understand how Recite can help your writing or editing process. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button now.